Just put the link. Try. I think that's available. Oh. Uh, so he didn't join the call. Hello. Oh. No, I don't think I can't see those. I have shared the screen. Can you see the screen? No, I don't see the messages. All right. I think if you go through the video series that I have shared with you in YouTube, that is all about and he is guiding you to create a simple network in NS3 code. So NS3 is basically a network simulator. I think you might know that. Build the networks and try out different protocols and check whether how they are working, and you can do manipulations with that and do some experiment code. So basically you need to code in order to make that, to build that simulation. This is the documentation page for NS3. You can get it if you simply Google it by NS3 docs. Or it'll land it to that same page. Yeah. So this is the NS3 documentation, and basically you might come up with some of the classes that you need to deal with. It's very similar to Java documentation. All the classes will be listed here. So if you don't want to go through the entire list, you can just simply search it here. This is another simple. It's called node container. You can list it here. Right. The folder structure. I think I have shared this folder with you guys. Out, it will be like this. So go inside to NS3 folder. This is where our NS3 home is supposed to be. So you can see that there's the WAV file, test Python, utils. So as I said, folders has separate things to do with the NS3 DSRC is the exactly source code actually. So these are the views we have for the moment, and these are the modules that we need to refer in order to do some specific task. For example, you might need to use CS structures or the classes to work with CSMA protocol, and DSR is another protocol, and OLSR is another protocol, and for AODV, what we are going to focus on is it's in another folder. So these are the main components or the main series within the NS3 source code. We need to go through pretty much many of those things while we are working on this NS3, and we need to be familiar. So every if you go to a particular folder, there's a structure, documentations, examples, helper classes. Model is where the codes will be placed, and that folder and the test files. So this is the same structure that the followed by the other modules as well. If you want to write something, you need to have a look at these examples what they have provided. This is basically the entire NS3 source code. And what you need to know is the scratch. The scratch is the place where you can write your own script and try it out how it works. So if you follow those four video series about the NS3 and the introduction about making a simple network, that person will guide you to create a file in this place. So the file which I have created was this. While I was following those tutorials, write a main class and use the NS3 classes. So you need to import the classes like this, and you can simply use those and call the methods as you go to make the things work. And that's all. So this is how you create a network and try it, whether your protocols or whatever the changes that you have done is working as you expected. Scratch, it's a folder. You need to remember where you need to put your files. And yeah, that's basically the thing is. And so I'll simply go through the file which I have created. It's just it's the same thing that I'm going to explain. That person has already. All right. uh, okay. This CMD line. Want to know what is this class is for? You can go to documentation, paste it. It will come. It will come. Yeah. Okay. These are the public methods and types which are available. Okay, it has a diagram. You can actually get the user inputs via the command line. That is what it is used for. And later we'll just skip these sections for a while. Let's start it from here. So the first thing is we need to have nodes, or whatever they're called. We can call it as network routers or switches. So in terms of network terminology, we call all those things as nodes. And so the nodes include the host, routers, so the other sub network branches, switches, so workstations, everything. Uh, for that, the network simulating task, the whatever the network that we're going to simulate, it had one computer and three network routers, and there was another small subnetwork connected to one of those routers. So that's what meant by the branch. So we have to get host, routers, and branches. The host. This is how we create number of nodes what we need. So for the host node container, so node container is it's just a container which has nodes. That's all. This is how you create the number of nodes you need for the node container. For host, we need only one node inside this node container, and for routers, we need four routers inside this. These are node containers, and we create nodes inside those node containers. And then we install the stacks on each node. The internet stack is basically to do the communication. That's like a platform we need to have. We need to do the communication. The the network layer utility thing. So we need to install those using the network internet stack helper. Then just leave it for a while. Uh, the same thing. We need to have point-to-point helper, which connects the different host, or not different host, different nodes. We use this to connect the nodes. And see, I have connected. Where? We have used it and got the net device connect. Net device is actually made by the network interface cards, devices that we need to have installed within a node, within a network host, in order to communicate with other host. So basically, what it means, pretty much the network interface card. A net device container is used to hold the net device objects. That's what the container classes are always for, and the helper classes are for it's there for us to do the work and get return the outputs. And the helper IPv4 address helper to assess this is the IP address, and this is the subnet mask. So we can just create the entire thing as we go, and you can build the that script and check it, like the WAF script to build the source code. And if you just simply do the WAF, that means it'll build the entire, and we can verify if there are no errors. So once you get this, that means you don't have any errors. You can simply run that particular script by games WAF script, and then run go to this patch tutorial CC. Okay. access not found. Yeah, it runs. These are the messages I have used. I think I haven't completed the script. That's what the runtime error is being thrown. So rest of the things are working, and you can simply run it like that. Follow that YouTube videos, and you will be able to NS3. Let me show you that these videos. Start. Uh, this fellow has added 4 videos. You can just skip the installing part. Can continue from here. Explain step by step what he's going to do, and the rest of the code it, and you'll be able to have a small network being created using NS3. Let me show you. He has that image. I think it's in part 2. Like this. So this network is going to be built using the NS3. These 4 videos, and you'll be able to have the script which I have shown. All right, so that's what I just wanted to share with you today's session. We can do another session again once we complete those, and have an in detail discussion about the classes and what it does. We have node classes, or whatever the entity classes, and then we have type of container classes, then we have again helper classes. Those are the types of classes inside the NS3. Have a Wi-Fi setup background in network, we need to use the Wi-Fi nodes, then we need to use the Wi-Fi node containers, and then we might have Wi-Fi net device help or something like that. Yeah, that's all I want to share with you. If you have any questions, you can ask now. Yeah, all right. Then we can stop the session for today. Hopefully, we'll have another session soon. All right. Thanks for joining this.